Hi guys, I'm back on my page. So yes, I know I was seeing a lot of your messages, but because I was answering some questions, I could not really, reply to all of you. But I just came here to, hi Mitesh, mwah, mwah, mwah. So nice to see you. I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. And Hurvi's here. Love you. So yes, I'm here to just read Abhijit. Hi Abhijit. Here I've said your name. Mitesh, yes, of course you are love, and we have to catch up soon. Thank you Hurvi. I love you. I love you guys. Thank you. I love Sonal Chauhan. Thank you so much for creating that fan club. I'm so grateful and so thankful for that love that you give me all the time. Love you. Hi Guddu Singh. Somebody saying bye. So yes, I'm back here just to tell you guys that no, I'm not in Delhi. Yeah, so I came to tell you guys that I could not read all your messages, and that's why I'm here. And I just want to tell you that I love you guys, and I'm reading all your messages. And yeah, I want to just thank you for giving me all the love. Some people want to join my chat. Hi Sayed. Sonalik Zoya, and I love you guys. I love you for keeping my fan clubs going and for showering me with so much of love. I cannot express it in words how much I love you guys. Thank you so much. Jannat. Yes, Jannat is my favorite movie. Love you. Thank you. Love you too. Thank you, Muhammad Zaman. I'm fine, Sangam. Thank you, Rohan. Hopefully someday we'll meet. Sonal Chauhan, obsessed. Thank you. Please say hi, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. I hope you're safe. I hope you're happy and healthy. Sunny Chauhan. Hi, Sunny Chauhan. Rishabh. Hi. Beautiful. Okay. So guys, why don't you all tell me how you are spending your lockdown, your quarantine? Are you guys bored? Hi, good evening, Govinda. Be careful. Yes, Prince Sharma, I'm being very careful. I haven't stepped out of my house at all. And I have to say a big hello to my little niece, Namya, because she has just discovered the fact that I go live, and she likes to, she likes me to say hi to her on the live. So I'm going to say hi to her. Hi, Namu. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Hi, Pradeep. I'm playing cards and carom in Goregaon. Wow, I wish I could join you, Tarun. That sounds very, very fun. I hope you're winning. Sonalik Zoya, I'm spending my time by uploading your pics. Thank you so much. Kavita, hi, I love you. I don't know, I just get very excited when I see my friends also on my live. Kavita, I must tell you that your new TikTok videos, I don't know if they're TikTok videos, but the new videos that you're putting up on Instagram are really funny, and I think you should keep doing it because it's a lot of fun and very entertaining. I think it's too happy. Lockdown gave me very precious time. I'm thankful to this universe giving me time for myself. Yes, you must be. We all should be thankful because we never really got this time to connect with ourselves or connect with people that we love. This corona wasted my study and all. I know it is really unfortunate. We all have lost out on work, and we are stuck at home, but It's very important for us right now to be, to be responsible and, take care of ourselves. And that's how you save the world. Imagine you're getting to save the world. So please do it. Okay, so Ravi Chauhan, SK Photography. Do you like drawing? Yes, I used to love drawing, and thank you for reminding me of that. I think I'm going to try my hand at drawing soon. हिंदी में बोलिए. ठीक है विक्की जी, मैं हिंदी में बात करती हूँ. और मेरी मम्मी भी यहाँ पर हैं. मम्मी, आई लव यू. मैम, व्हाट्स योर क्वारंटीन रूटीन? मेरा क्वारंटीन रूटीन बहुत ही बिज़ी रहता है. मैं मॉर्निंग में उठती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं अपने लिए और अपनी सिस्टर के लिए ब्रेकफास्ट बनाती हूँ. कभी कभी वो मेरे लिए ब्रेकफास्ट बनाती हैं. फिर हम घर की सफाई करते हैं. देन हम अपने घर की सफाई करते हैं. तब तक लंच का टाइम हो जाता है. लंच के टाइम के बाद लंच हम बनाते हैं, फिर खाते हैं. उसके बाद थोड़ी देर बैठते हैं एंड फिर तब तक डिनर का टाइम हो जाता है. उस बीच में मैं अपने सोशल मीडिया पर कनेक्टेड रहती हूँ, सबके मैसेजेस पढ़ती हूँ, प्लस फैमिली से कनेक्टेड रहती हूँ, बात करती हूँ काफ़ी. एंड ऐसे ही मेरे दिन निकल रहे हैं. बट एट द सेम टाइम मैं सबके लिए प्रे करती हूँ कि ये जो डेडली कोविड-19 है ये बहुत जल्दी हमारे पूरी दुनिया को छोड़कर चला जाए. रहीम अफगान जी, मैं आपसे भी बात कर रही हूँ, मैं सबसे बात कर रही हूँ. हाउ डू आई टेक केयर ऑफ़ माई स्किन? आई ड्रिंक लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी स्किन के साथ खेलती नहीं हूँ. आई डोंट रियली यूज़ वेरी टू मेनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्रीम्स. मैं सिर्फ दो तीन चीज़ों पर ध्यान रखती हूँ कि मैं स्किन को हाइड्रेटेड रखूँ, पानी पीने से भी और मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम्स और हाइड्रेटिंग क्रीम्स लगाने से. एंड यस, एंड नेचुरल फेस पैक्स, कोई फ्रूट पैक लगा लेती हूँ, या फिर ऑल जो नेचुरल चीज़ें होती हैं, जो भी नेचुरल है वो कर्ड, honey, and I rub a lot of ice on my skin. So that's how I keep my skin healthy. Yes. My phone was ringing. Okay guys, so I just came to tell you that I love you guys, and I came to just read all your messages. When am I coming to London? I don't know, Mohsin. I wish I could come soon, but I think abhi to time hai, because right now the whole world is struggling. So I think hamara first focus is to just thank you Ashok Wali. I think our first focus has to be that we are free of this virus, and then the world will be back to being a beautiful place again, which it is even now, but London not anytime soon. I'm in Bombay, guys. Amir, thank you so much. Thank you so much for making this fan club and always posting the best of my pictures. I love you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna come back soon, but it was really nice talking to you guys. I hope you guys continue being responsible. I know you guys are very, very responsible. Thank you, Kaushal. And I'm going to connect with you guys soon. Lots of love. Take care.